Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I think you're well and I am also well. So our today topic is how to speak English. কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলবেন? How to speak English. To speak English, the most important thing is listening. If you can listen, then you can learn. Why and how? So let's know how you can learn English by listening. Remember, when I was born and when you was born, did you know any language? The answer is no, right? So, after listening, by listening, you learned Bangla language or you learned English language, right? From your family, from your father, from your mother, you learned it, right? So, by listening, you can learn English, you can learn any language. If you want to learn any language, first of all, you have to listen. Then you will understand automatically, right? Second is practice. Practice is very important. If you listen something, then think it. What is the sentence? And how can practice it? How can you make a sentence? This is very important. If you practice regularly, you can learn English. Third is think. Think everything, whatever you are watching, you are seeing, you are listening, everything you think in English. That I'm making a video, so think it in English that I am making a video. You are watching this video, they are talking, so think in English. Don't use Bengali language. Okay, so I said three options to learn English. First one, listening. Everything, every English where you can find English, or you can listen basic sentences, which is basic, not advanced. First of all, you have to learn basic sentences and you have to learn some vocabulary, which is very important for you at the first time. Okay, so I'm also a student and I'm trying to learn English. So if you can learn English, and I will try to make this type of video if you can learn English by this video. Okay, so second one is practice. Third one is thinking in English. Don't think in Bengali language, think in English. Okay, then you can learn or you can speak English. To be an English speaker, it is very important to listen English. If you can listen, you can learn. This is a basic proverb. If you can listen, then you can learn. So after all, finally, I am so sorry if I did any mistake on my video, because I am new and I'm also practicing in English and I want to be an English speaker. So that is why I'm making this video for you. Let's learn English let's learn English together. So thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So I apologize to you again if I did any mistake. So sorry. Thank you so much. Please, tata, bye bye. If you want to this type of video, then comment. I will give this type of video in the next time. Okay, thank you so much.